Hello everyone, it's Amy, and welcome back for another 52 card stick up. I'm feeling much better. Thank you for all your good wishes. And so this is going to be super quick today because it's Memorial Day and we have some plans to go out, but I wanted to get this done so hopefully I can get it up tonight so that it will come out tomorrow morning like it's supposed to. I want to get back on track. So I thought I would show you. Here is our J color. We did jade, and I wrote jade here. And I did shorten these up a little bit. I just kind of pulled them up and re-glued them because they were just too long. And then I went ahead and I did a piece of cardstock, put the gold paint on it, and used that just to kind of cover up that top and just give it a little interest up there because I did not like the way it looked. I'm happy with the way it turned out now. So this is our jade color for J, and then our our K, what do you call it? Whatever. I'm in a hurry, and so my brain does not want to work. Our K collage is all done. I went ahead and put the clear coat on it. So those are done, and I thought I would show you. I promised I'd show you that one when it's done. So this week it is K color, and I was going through the Ks, and the very last one was KSU, and that stands for Kansas State University, and that's where my grandson goes. So I thought that is perfect. That's what I'm going to do. So I did try and make this yesterday, but my blue wasn't working, so everything was coming out pink. So I had to run it through these scans or whatever, and it did that 3 times, and then the blue was working, and then it told me, don't touch your printer for 12 hours. And it wouldn't let me do anything with it. So I couldn't do it yesterday, so I'm going to do it today. It still is not quite right. I'm going to show you. So I have some pictures here. I've covered up the faces so you can't see them, but because you can't put them on without permissions. But this is the actual photograph that I have of my grandson and my son-in-law. And you can see this is bluer than this is up here. But yesterday everything was very pink. So at least it's as close as it can get. I tried making it like photograph copy and quality copy, and no matter what I did, I just couldn't get it to come out correct. That's as close as I could get. So I decided that was fine with me. So I am going to quickly grab a card. And we've got the Jack of Diamonds. Alrighty, so I'm gonna do like I always do. I need to get it sanded. I'm not even sure. I'm not gonna put any backing on this, I don't think. We're just going to cut out the logo, or that's not what you call it, mascot maybe? And then we are going to glue that on our card, and that is going to be this week's card. But I really did think that that was very cool. That came up on I go to Wikipedia. I tell my phone, Wikipedia colors in alphabetical order. And it gives me the colors. And then you have different ways you can pick them down below, but I just pick alphabetical order colors. And then just scroll down to whatever our letter is for that week, which there weren't a whole lot of K's, there weren't a whole lot of J's either. So, but this wound up being perfect for me. It made me very happy to see that. So we're going to put those two aside and just cut out the logo. Got another one here. So, but I'm just going to cut right along the white edge. And even though you really can't put photos, you're not really supposed to have photos in your videos. At least I still have both of the boys' hands, my son-in-law and my grandson, holding on to the sign. can't believe we have one in college and one starting kindergarten next year. So there's a bit of a space between them. Oh, we're so happy to have both of them. There we go. We've almost got it. There. Okay, so there is that. And then they have this other little logo. I'm going to cut it over here because it's got the whole picture on it. With the old-fashioned wildcat. And I think that is so cute. That's even, oh, maybe that's a, yeah, I think this is even older than I am. That's going to be my guess, that logo is probably more like 40s or 50s maybe. I'm not sure, but he's cute too. So I thought that I would put these two things on here. Maybe put a little bit of gesso on. But then it's not going to be dry. Let's see. If we put these on here, like this. No, I want the gesso. I have my little, I'll grab out my little heat tool here. Okay, get that plugged in. Get a brush. I'll just put it on thin. I never even thought about that they would put colors there, like colors that go with different colleges. It's actually quite fun. I thought that was pretty cool when I saw that. And I was telling my youngest daughter that that's the color. And it doesn't say like KSU purple or anything. It just says KSU. And then it has the color. And so I was telling my youngest daughter about it. And that I had to wait with the printer so I couldn't finish my thing. And she's like, well, so what color is it? And I said, it's just KSU. That's literally what my phone said that the color was. Like, and so I told her it was a purplish blue. Almost. And then I kind of debated it because we just did the indigo, which this is really almost indigo. And so, I'll turn this on. I debated because that one's only just a couple cards away. But then I thought, you know what? It doesn't matter because this is the one that I want to do. And so it doesn't matter if it's, there's a purple and then there's going to be the jade. I think that's really it. Yes, I-K. So it goes H-I and then J for jade and then there's the K. So there's only one card between them. Well, technically, a couple cards. But only one color card between them, and that's all right. Because we're supposed to do whatever we feel like doing. And so this was what I felt like doing this week. We are going to take our grandson out to breakfast. And then we're going to go see The Mandalorian. We let him pick. Our little theater only had 2 shows. One was The Mandalorian and Grogu, and the other one was Sheep Detectives. And he just didn't seem too thrilled about Sheep Detectives, but he said he calls it Baby Yoda. He wanted to see Baby Yoda. So that is what we are going to do. Now we can see a little of the card behind there, but that's all right. Let me see. It really doesn't matter which way we go. I think I'll go this way. A little less blue down there. So I'm going to glue him on here. And I'll put KSU here in writing once everything is really dry. And then this little guy, put him to where Wildcats is, right at the bottom. I think maybe I'll round that off just a little bit. Maybe I'll kind of go like this a bit. I don't think, well, maybe I'll just give it just a little bit of an edge there. And I think I'll cut this off right here to bring it down a little closer to the bottom. And just how easy is this one? I'm going to go ahead and grab a piece of paper. And you know, sometimes when you think I just want to do something, but I don't have time. Now, granted, I looked my colors up ahead of time, and I had to figure out my whole computer thing. That took forever. But, you know, I needed to do that anyways. Put him right up towards the top. But yeah, look at how fast this is right here. So you never have to take a whole ton of time. If you just really feel like doing something, grab a piece of paper and glue something on it. It's fun. That's supposed to be the whole point, too. It's just supposed to be fun. You're supposed to be having a good time. And this one, I don't have any out here. So, but I am going to edge this in purple. Because I do want to edge it. Since there's so much like white with the gesso. I'm just going to, and I might just edge it and not turn the white. I might not use my brush. I might use a sponge like this. You do it in your purple ink or purple paint, either one. Tap it off if you're doing paint to make it very dry, and then just do like this just to get around the edges. If I do that and I think, nah, I want a little more, then I will just use my brush. When I say a brush, I like to use these kind of brushes. This is from the Dollar Tree, just a makeup brush, and you put it in your ink, and then you just rub it around like that. But it will bring color in on the whole card. Like this one, even though it might not be real noticeable, it's around the edges, and then I turned what was white more of a tan, because the really stark white I don't care for. So this one I used tea dye, I think, and just used my brush and did the whole thing. So, but I think I might just do the edges here to leave those a little bit more noticeable. Leave the white there. And there we go. How quick was that? Told you it was going to be a quick one. So thank you very much for stopping by. If you get a chance, no matter whose videos you're watching, watch a commercial here and there if you can, if they have a regular commercial. I don't know why they put all those infomercials on everything. That's very frustrating to me. But it does help people if you watch a commercial. And and give them a thumbs up and a like, leave a comment. So that helps my videos along with everybody else's too. So, and if you think, wow, I like this series and you haven't seen the rest of it, it's a playlist. So if you just go to my channel and go to playlists, it will list it there. It's called 52 Card Stick Up. And we are doing 1 week of collage, starting with the alphabet, starting with A, and we already are up to K. So first week is a collage, second week is a color, and then we go to the next letter. So, but thank you very much for stopping by. I appreciate your support. Appreciate all your well wishes when I really wasn't feeling well. And, well, if you do get kind of sick, like, pay attention to it, because whatever's going around right now is really kind of nasty. So, thanks again. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.